welcome to the Daily Insights that matter. In a surprising turn of events and a big boost to India's Make in India initiative, Google is now joining the likes of Apple and Samsung to manufacture smartphones in India. Google has been in advanced talks with Indian electronics manufacturer Dixon Technologies as well as Bharat FIH, an arm of Taiwan's Foxconn, to set up production of its flagship smartphone, which is a Pixel 8 in India. These devices would be rolled out early in 2024, providing a significant boost to the country's ambitions to emerge as a global electronics manufacturing hub. This move will help Google cut import duties and increase cost competitiveness, which will in turn make Pixel more affordable for Indian consumers. Previously, Apple and Samsung have made necessary investments in India to set up multiple manufacturing and assembly plants. This has led to the local value addition in India to grow from 6% in 2016 to 16% for 2023. As companies are looking to divert operations from China after realizing too much concentration in one country, India remains the biggest beneficiary. Over the past few years, India has emerged as an attractive destination for manufacturing, not just for local consumption but also for export. Owing to the subsidies, especially the PLI scheme, India is making an ecosystem to attract the big names to the country. This has led to the country becoming a manufacturing hub and realize the goal of Make in India initiative. In an effort to alleviate the restrictions imposed by the government on the imports of laptops, tablets and PCs in the month of August, the government has announced that it will not enforce these restrictions. Instead, they are introducing a new contactless import authorization system. After concerns were raised at the recent World Trade Organization meeting by US, China, South Korea and Taiwan, India has rolled back its plan to restrict imports on laptops, tablets and PCs. India has released an import management system that will require IT hardware companies to register and disclose data related to what they are importing and from which countries. However, this import authorization will remain valid until September 2024. After the expiry of the authorization, the government will analyze and determine the way forward. This approach aims to provide certainty to the industry. This move was done to promote domestic production and decrease reliance on imports, particularly from China, which currently accounts for more than 75% of India's laptop, tablet and personal computers. The latest development is a significant move providing relief to major makers of computer hardware. The government introduced online import management system will collect clear data about specific products coming in from different sources and monitor it. Moreover, this will thereby ensure a trusted supply chain for electronics in the country amid increasing cybersecurity threats. As India tries to realize its goal of local manufacturing and Make in India, this move will slowly lead to the fulfillment of the initiative. Having said that, this is me, Rahul, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com